Alright, so what I currently have in the Jeep as far as a phone holder goes is this ProClip mount. It's worked really well. Just secures to the Jeep by clipping from the front of the dash and under this little lip here. A little piece of sticky tape on the front here that just secures it. You don't really need it. But it rotates and it does everything fairly well. Now I'm using a Motorola phone with a case, and I have one of those pop sockets which has lost its plastic cap. So it does stick out a little bit, as you can see. But with this mount, this is the universal phone mount from ProClip. It's adjustable. It fits in there, and it stays secure. The sides of this is the large model of the universal phone adapter. The sides go in and out to adjust to the width of your phone. The problem with this is that some other phones will not fit. They're either too narrow, too wide, or even too thick or thin, because the depth on these, you can't adjust them on this, but you can buy the different model which has a shallower depth. So this is the large model. I think, I don't know if it's the largest they make, but I'm kind of limited to just using my phone in this. So when I have my son or wife or whomever who have different phones, they cannot use their phones in this mount, which is the unfortunate part. It does adjust to go horizontal, back up to vertical, and it holds it well. It's I've off-roaded with this, and it has held it in there, so there's no issues with it. But I just wanted to show you that. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not use it anymore. I could put it, it goes basically anywhere on the dash. I think basically from here to over here, the dash becomes a little skinnier, I think, on the ends. I can't slide it right now because it's still secured with that double-sided tape. But I'll show you what we're going to go to as far as a phone holder goes. It's a more integrated system, more modular, being able to hold other things. So this will be coming out, and we'll show you what we're going to be installing. What we're going to do today is install this bulletproof, they're now known as Bulletpoint mounting solutions. I'm not going to do a full unbox here, but just show you how it comes really well packaged. This is the mounting system. This is the main part right here that goes into the dash, in the center of the dash, and then you have your these ball plates that attach to the plate, main plate, and then from there you have the arms. It does come with a little bottle opener in the shape of a bullet, but the arms attach to the balls, and then the phone holder attaches to the actual arm. So it comes, the base system comes with one phone holder, the two balls, one arm, and then a GoPro mount. In addition, I purchased an additional phone mount, so that's what's in these two boxes, a phone mount and an arm. And the kit also comes with a hardware mounting kit. As well, I purchased a third ball, because I'm going to have three balls on that mounting plate. The third one is going to be fashioned to hold my radar detector, but I have a little bit of, I need to purchase one more arm for that. So let's get to the installation, which is very simple, and we'll show you how it's all done. Alright, in the Jeep now, as you can see. What we're going to do, remove the radar detector. I'm going to take this ProClip phone mount off, and as you can see, it's now loose. So like I said before, it does mount anywhere from basically here to here, so it can be adjusted, but it just clips into the dashboard fairly simply with this little clip on the end, if you can see it, and then this part that goes around the dash. So worked well, but we're changing it up a little bit. Got to remove the pad in here. Remove these two screws right here. Okay, I've removed the two screws from the stock screws from the Jeep. And FYI, the kit comes with everything you need. It actually comes with a little screwdriver Comes with a little wrench to secure your bolts. Here is the tray or the plate that just will slip right in there. We are going to mount the tray in here with the screws, and that'll secure it to the Jeep. But first, we need to secure the actual balls with the plates onto the main plate. I think what I'm going to do is just secure them, one on each end, and then one in the middle. And that is going to be for the actual radar detector once I get a smaller arm. So this will be, the suction cup on the windshield will be removed when I'm ready. All right, 3 balls installed. Each has a screw, a washer, and the bolt. They're all equally spaced. I'll show you the, as I said, the kit does come with a little wrench for those bolts, which is nice. So nothing is needed to install this as far as tools go. Everything is included. I think it's a really well put together kit. All right, so now that's pretty much done with the base plate. The base plate just slides in there like that. And we are going to install the 2 screws I removed prior, and we'll get that secured down. It is now secured to the Jeep, the base plate, so it's screwed in. I don't know if you can see that by the 2 screws right there, one and one on the other side. What I'm going to do now is position one of the arms onto the ball. These balls are somewhat, there's like little lines on them, you know, they're not smooth, so there's little striations on them. I guess that's to secure the arms better. But I'll put the arm on now around the ball, tighten it up. Moving that, it's moving the whole dash basically, not the whole dash, but just this part. So that's on there really well. So that's that piece. Now what I'm going to do is secure the phone mount to the arm. Separate that enough. Okay, so now the arm and the phone mount are now secured together. This is a spring-loaded phone mount, as you can see. And it has a nice little sound and movement to it. Feels really solid. Okay, gonna put the phone into the phone mount now. It's basically a one-handed operation in which you put the right side of the phone in, press the slide away, and that'll give you enough room. There you go. Now I've gotten used to the phone being up high in my line of sight with using the ProClip. This is actually a little bit higher than the ProClip, and we could bring it down a little bit, just like that. Let it rest on the dash. The arm is on the dash now. So it's a little bit higher than the ProClip, but not much. So I'm used to it. Doesn't really affect me any. I still have plenty of vision out to the road. But this is the way it holds it. So obviously I'm going to have to give it some time, see how it holds it in there. But I think it's going to be fairly solid. It doesn't seem like it wants to jump out. Like I said, this will go horizontal. Come back to vertical. So I think it's a nice addition. I'm going to get the other arm installed and show you what that's all about. All right, so what we have done, we got the Bulletpoint Mounting Systems JL RubiGrid system installed. Comes with the one phone mount and arm and the GoPro mount. I purchased an additional mount and arm for a phone as well as a third ball. so that was additional. But overall, high quality system, comes well packaged. I think it's well engineered, and it just feels like a quality piece of kit for the JL, just something additional. Now I won't have my wife or sons complaining that they have nowhere to put their phone, you know, where it's not in front of them. So they have a mounting system, and the mounting system is very simple. It's just one-handed and it's in. Can position it any way you want. These could be higher. This side can't go any lower because it's already down on the dash, but you know, these arms, you can just loosen them a little bit and position it higher or position it lower, however you like to have it positioned. So there's a lot of adjustability to it for it to suit your needs. So overall, really pleased with the how the system came together. Looking forward to getting some miles on it and see how it holds the phones. But I don't have any reservations about it. The phone seems to be in here really well, and it's easy to take out with one hand. So we're looking forward to using this, and we'll have more reviews coming. I want to thank Bulletpoint for providing this to the Jeep community. I do think it is a quality piece that could be added to the JL Wrangler. And you can have a system to mount phones or other accessories. So with that, thanks for watching. Look for more things coming down the pike, and comment or ask questions down below. And just final thoughts on this Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions RubiGrid system for the JL Wrangler. I've been driving around with it for about a week. I've just put the GoPro on there just to show you what it would look like. I'm not driving with the GoPro, as I have no need for it right now. But the phones are definitely held firmly. They have not rattled out of their mounts. I have hit a couple of potholes and bumps in the road, and they stay exactly where they were put. So very pleased with how they are holding on there. We'll have to try it off-road, but I have no doubt that it is going to hold it in there without issue. So really pleased with the system, really pleased with the versatility of it, and really pleased with, you know, being able to mount other things such as GoPros or other pieces of equipment you may have. Like I said, I'm going to use this middle mount temporarily for the radar detector mount. And then if and when I want to use the GoPro for off-roading or whatever, it's a simple twist the knob, take it off, and then install the GoPro mount for off-roading or when I want to use the GoPro. So really pleased. Check Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions out online for the system, but you're hearing it from the horse's mouth. Really pleased with how this is working out, and looking forward to using it more in the future. Again, thanks for watching.